Thank you for downloading FitCheck. This is a short video on how to enable FitCheck onto your online store. First, set up the meta fields. It's just one button. Then, add the widget to your theme. On clicking, it will open to your products page. If not, kindly just navigate to your products page. On the left side, your widget should be added automatically, or you can also add the FitCheck widget. Slide it up and put it in the place where you want it to be seen, like above my buy buttons. That's pretty much it. Don't forget to hit save, the most important step. After saving, just preview your website and try FitCheck. FitCheck has been installed. Now let's view it from your customer's perspective. Once you're on your website, just go ahead and click on any clothing item. In there, you'll find your newly added FitCheck button. You are prompted to upload a photo. Once the photo has been uploaded, it will commence the virtual try-on. Your users don't have to upload a new photo each time. We'll temporarily save it for this session. Once they close this tab, the photo is going to be removed, ensuring users' privacy. Fitting on the clothes usually takes anywhere around 15 to 20 seconds. Looks like we're done. Now your customer has tried on this clothing virtually with the best AI models out there. Let's quickly try another dress. Only this time, we select a different variant. This time, it's going to commence fitting automatically because it already has the uploaded image. All for the ease of use for your customers. Not so shabby, right? That's a good fit. Your customers can also view the history of all their fits quickly to ensure that they make the best possible decision. If they want to add, let's say, the previous dress to the cart, they can do so, instead of having to search this dress again on your store. Another amazing feature of FitCheck is that it runs in the background. Your customers can go look at other clothes or check the specifications, your shipping policies, or even leisurely read the reviews. Once they go back or click FitCheck anywhere, they'll immediately receive their try-on. Smooth, right? Let's head to the admin and see how you can configure different products. On the left side, you see the product tab. When you click that, you can see all the products in your store with our metafield configuration. Metafields configuration happen automatically to all your products, but if some of them are wrong, you can always change and hit save. Next up, we have analytics. You can see the total try-ons or the total add to carts along with the products which is getting you the most attention. We are working on our analytics. We are adding more numbers for you to track. That's FitCheck for you. Installed on your store to give your customers the most amazing virtual try-on experience. Thanks.